Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix your TiVo remote if it's not working or responding at all. So if your TiVo remote won't control your box or TV, don't worry. It's a common issue and there are a few simple ways to fix it. Now, here is the solution step by step. Step 1. Check the batteries. Yeah, I know, it sounds basic, but weak or dead batteries are the #1 cause. Remove the back cover, replace the old batteries with fresh ones, and make sure they're properly aligned. Then test the remote again. Step 2, restart the TiVo box. Sometimes it's not the remote, it's the box. Unplug your TiVo DVR or streaming box from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once it restarts, try the remote again. Step 3. Repair the remote. If you're using a voice or Bluetooth TiVo remote, it might have lost connection. Hold down the TiVo plus back buttons together until the light on the remote flashes red and then green. That means it's back in pairing mode. Now point it at the box and wait for the light to flash again. That confirms it's paired. Step 4. Switch to IR mode, optional. If Bluetooth still doesn't respond, you can switch to IR mode. Hold down the TiVo plus C buttons until the light flashes red. This lets the remote control your TiVo box using standard infrared signals instead. Step 5. Check for obstructions or sensor issues. Make sure nothing is blocking the front of your TiVo box. Wipe the sensor area clean. Dust or objects can stop signals from reaching it. Important notes. Always use fresh, high-quality batteries. If the remote still doesn't respond, try it on another TiVo box if available. That'll confirm if the remote itself is faulty. You can also download the TiVo mobile app to control your device temporarily. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix your TiVo remote when it's not working or responding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech fixes.